Go for it, man. Go.
Wearing shoes? Yeah. Yep, they got little wrap around their feet just to protect their feet because they've got a few issues with their sore feet. Yeah. Because it doesn't have any more pendants, so it's just a way of keeping their feet nice and they've got a little bit of maybe a little bit of a sore or a little bit of an infection or something, so it just keeps them, yeah. Hello, Nick. You're being noisy. Why are you being so noisy? You looking for your girlfriend? Imagine that going. Imagine that sound going. Oh, we've got one up here though.
Like South Africa and South America. As for the little penguin, you find a little park here in Old Federal in New Zealand, as well as in the southern parts of Australia, and a few of our neighbouring islands as well. To find a little penguin, they're also known as little blue penguins. If you're from Australia, you might have a fairy penguin. And here in New Zealand, we also know them by the different name, koala, because we get to love some of these things during the green season. Now, all around the Australian Antarctic Centre,